I be come here with some big belly, with belly be 1.5 meters. Your belly, yes. My belly be 1.5 meters. Now so my belly be there. My belly be big so. My belly be big so. 1.5 meters belly. Big belly. My belly be big. C'est un of you waka. Now the big belly this. My belly be big. C'est un of you waka. I know if you breathe. I know if you breathe. I go for all kind of hospital, no solution. I go for every place, no solution. They say they go operate me. I say they say na picking there for my belly. Which kind picking? Now so I the waka better no day. I say 1.5 meters belly where I do everything no way. Now so the belly big. 1.5 meters belly. Now so be big. Now so my belly be big. If you make a certain, I know if you even waka. I go make like woman with the belly. No way no be there. I know if you waka. Now so be the waka. They be tell me about Pastor Nana. Now you want come Pastor Nana say I go take 7 bottles. Now I take the 7 bottles. I start take them. As I take them, I be think say I go die. The belly be make like say I go die. Like they can't born. I start see some kind thing they start come out. Some kind thing they start come out. That pot start come off my belly. C'était now see na my belly this. My belly this way don't come down. My belly dey like everybody. First time you know be the chop. Yes, I know be the chop. You the chop all. Yes, I the chop all. I the chop all. The belly not the big again. Now all the belly this. 1.5 meters belly. Now so my belly be there. You don't born how many pikin? You don't born how many pikin? I say I never born, but the belly be big. Oh, Pastor, things that be there inside my belly. You don't move things them. Yes, I move all kind of things them. I move if you see some kind of thing that come on my belly, tread them. Some kind of things them. They smell. They there like stone, black things them, blue kind things them. I move all kind of things them. I move all kind of things of my belly. That means inside your belly, grandpapa be there, grandpa be there, grandmammy be there, all parents they be there, picking them. Village, yes, now village be there for my belly. They be certain the village big certain they come. Now so my belly be there. I be the worker, now so I be the worker for back. Now so I the worker for back. Push my belly the woman way one can born. Yes. If I clap for Jesus, clap for Jesus. Now wonderful thing for clap for Jesus. Clap for Jesus. Yes. Amen.
That's why I say you must fight.
Now,
have you gone to many places?
yes, I don't go for places then. I've gone to many places until I don't discourage. I go all kind of places I don't be discouraged. Now so my belly be big. My belly be big so. Big so 1.5 meters. I know if you waka. I be the waka my back for back. I know if you waka. Now so my belly big c'était. So c'était I come now for Pastor Nana. I don't waka for all kind of place. Hospital, black people, black magic, medicine places them. I don't even get money again for go. I don't talk say if you know the waka go die me even I die. I say yes, if not so my die. Now where you come for this place. For Yaoundé, I get books then here where they say they go operate my heart and my belly. They say my heart, that belly don't big so they go affect my heart. They say they go operate my heart. Mash, show me the book. Show me the book where the hospital gam for you. When Yaoundé talk, when Pastor Nana never talk in the waka. Pastor Nana must talk. Yaoundé talk. Pastor Nana must talk before he waka. Now they report this from Yaoundé. Now echography this from Yaoundé. They make an for woman, echography for woman, but when they make an for you, that means they want me born. They will say picking, they will say all kind of things, they will my belly, which kind of thing, they say they go operate me. Now someone this, I say now wonderful document. I say even I go to for hospital, they look at plenty. I get plenty things them. I say if you find me wear kaba, so that means you look like woman. You wear kaba because if you get belly, if you don't rotten. If you don't rotten, Mrs. Sebi don't pass me. If you don't pass me, I talk say what way one happen may happen. Now one woman direct me here, and the woman direct me here. Now I don't come here, so I be here. Yes. I want to tell you, say, be strong. Clap for Jesus. Now, wonderful thing for clap for Jesus. Wonderful thing. Clap for Jesus. At the talk say, now only Jesus will do the kind thing. No person not will do this one. Now only Jesus. What you go tell people the way they look you? Actually, if you get which kind of problem, no talk say now at the end. No talk say come for the man of God, Pastor Nana. Come for the man of God. You will see solution. This is the end of all madness. Yes, the end of all madness. If your madness over strong, come. If we not finish them for their house, we'll finish them for here. Here with the chop your foolishness, with the chop that big belly, with the chop we get fridge for them, we get kitchen for them with the chop all thing. We'll chop all their cargo them. Amen. Amen.
That's why I'm telling you, you need to fight a good fight of faith. This brother has fought.
Ce frère a combattu.
He hasn't given up.
Il n'a pas lassé.
Finally, in Pastor Nana, the faith, God answer her.
Dieu a exaucé ses prières.
Amen.
Amen.
God will answer you.
Dieu t'exaucera aussi.
I've come to tell you that God will answer
Je
you.
vais te dire que Dieu
No
t'exaucera.
matter your problem, God
Peu
will
importe
answer
ton
you.
problème, Dieu t'exaucera.
Amen.
Amen.
I would like you to stand up.
J'aimerais que tu te
Put
lèves.
your hand where the problem is.
Pose ta main là où tu as mal. Je suis venu.
Is there a supernatural dimension? Is there a God of signs and wonders? Have you been searching for solution? Have you been expecting a miracle? Can that your situation change? Have you given up your hope? Are healing, miracles, deliverance real? God has been using his oracle, Prophet Nana, to reach out to many. Join us, you may be the next in line for a miracle. Come expecting salvation, healing, deliverance and breakthrough. Just a single call, just a step of faith, and that action of faith will make you laugh again. Faith must keep on seeking. Faith must keep on knocking.
Existe-t-il une dimension surnaturelle? Existe-t-il un Dieu des signes et des prodiges? Aviez-vous eu à chercher la solution? Aviez-vous espéré un miracle? Votre situation peut-elle changer? Aviez-vous perdu tout espoir? La guérison, les miracles et la délivrance sont-ils réels? Dieu a eu à utiliser son oracle, le prophète Nana, pour apporter la solution aux hommes. Joignez-vous à nous. Vous pourrez être le prochain en lice pour un miracle. Venez espérant la solution, la guérison, la délivrance et la percée. Rien qu'un appel, rien qu'un pas de foi et une action de foi te feront rire encore. La foi doit continuer à chercher, la foi doit continuer à toquer.
Keep watching Nana's TV.
Nana's TV. Nana's TV. Nana's TV. Nana's TV. Nana's TV. Make sure.
Nana's TV.
Keep watching Nana TV.
Keep watching Nana's TV.
Keep watching Nana's TV. Keep watching Nana's TV.
Keep watching Nana TV.
Keep watching Nana's TV. Keep watching Nana's TV.
Thank you, dear viewers, for praying the prayers. Keep watching Nana's
Continuez à regarder Nana's
We are the
TV.
youth of great potential and ability, uniting talent for great success.